Eliminate waste and cost, improve processes. Two goals of every business manager or owner. You can learn the tools to achieve these goals on your time and at your pace. Johnson County Community College offers Lean Enterprise classes online. I'm Steve Webster, a certified Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt and your teacher. In this low-cost, high-quality class, you'll learn how to use Lean Enterprise tools, and you don't need to take time off work or pay for travel. 8 modules, module quizzes, takeaways, access to your teacher. The entire course is completed online. You will take a quiz to test your new knowledge after each of the 8 modules, plus receive takeaways you can use for reference. Email me anytime with your questions. At the end of the course, you will be certified in Lean Enterprise. Does it really work? One of my students used the Lean tools to save $389,000 with their first project. It'll only cost you $450 for the class to learn the same tools. Enroll today.